Hi everybody. Hey, I want to show you guys how to make a super fast Easter faux arrangement. You are going to love it. You can make it in just a matter of minutes. I'm earlier in a video, if you'll go back, I made an Easter wreath using these beautiful picks that I got at my craft store for $4.20 each. What a great bargain. They were 40% off, okay? And I got this beautiful stem of greenery. This was like $3, and I've just split it apart here because I'm going to put my bunny between it. I got my little bunny, and this was on a stem. This was like $3. Isn't that so adorable? Okay, and then I did get my green little bunny. I have been having so much fun with this little guy. Okay, so I have a little container here, and I only paid $5 for this. It was $10.99. I got it 40% off. It's so beautiful. I'm using repurposed floral foam, and I put a piece of waterproof tape over the top just so everything stays in. And just you're going to be blown away. Just like 2 minutes, we're going to have this ready. Okay, so stay with me. Here we go. Hope everybody's doing fabulous. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel because I love all of you and I appreciate you so much. Thank you so much. And I mean that. I'm not just saying it, I mean it from the bottom of my heart. Thank you. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to do this in just a couple of steps. We're going to put this right in the middle. See, this is the back of it right here, right? Okay, and this is the back of the back. So I'm just going to put the two together like that, and I'm just going to go straight down. And this is one times my container, one, and it's going to be 1.5 times the size of my container. Okay, so look how pretty that's already starting to look. And I have some Easter grass here, and our Easter grass has a little bit of silver shimmery sparkles that makes it so fun. All I'm going to do to that is I'm going to I'm going to just put gobs of this, just hot glue it just anywhere along here, just like that. Just some glue. I'm just putting some glue around, and some of it will fall off, and that's okay. I'm just covering my mechanics with this. It's all that I'm doing with that. Okay. Might put a little bit. I don't really need a bunch in the front, but I'll put a little bit. That's all that I'm going to do with that. Okay, so let me clean this up a little bit and get ready to put the final touches on this. Okay, I got a little bit of glue sticking to my finger. I have I have a Facebook group. It's called Floral Class with Kathy, Kathy. If you'll pop on over there when you make something, please post a picture because I always love to see it. If anybody has anything floral related questions, I'm always happy to help you. I wanted to tell you, my new channel is Flower Boss, and it was formerly Kathy's Beautiful Blooms. Okay. All right. So now get ready to be amazed at how easy and beautiful this is. Okay. So I had this one pick. It was just one pick like that. All I did was kind of separate that a little bit. And then my little bunny, it was on a long stem. That's what the back looks like. It was just on a long stem. Oh, so all I'm going to do is I'm going to put my hot glue on the back of my bunny right here like this. Just like that. Just like that. And now I'm going to get my beautiful, beautiful, see it has the seeded berries in there and everything. And I'm just going to attach it, my bunny, directly to this right there. And you saw how much hot glue that I put, so that's going to stay just like that. Oh, don't want to burn myself. But you do need to hold it for a minute because you do want it to stay on there. So I'm just going to hold that on there. Put some pressure right here. Put some pressure on my bunny's eyes. And hold it really tight right there. Okay, now I'm just going to go straight down into this arrangement. I might need to cut my stem a little bit, and I'm going to put my bunny right here, and I'm going to spread these out a little bit, just kind of arrange those a little bit. Oh, my bunny is not staying. I'm sorry. Let me just put some hot glue directly onto my ceramic right here. I will need to hold my bunny. I apologize. I will need to hold my bunny for a minute because he keeps trying to hop away. But in just a matter of minutes, you can have such a beautiful, beautiful arrangement. Just like that. Okay. Let me see. Do I want to put my green bunny in right here? No, I'll just pop this little guy right there. Right there. I think he'll go right there. And that is all that I'm going to do to this one. You see how pretty this is? And then you can just kind of fluff these up. If you have anything you want to put in on the sides, maybe you have some greenery like this. Just get your wire cutters. If you don't really have to add anything else to it, but if you wanted to, you could just cut off a little bit more greenery just to kind of pop in on the sides. And what you do on one side, you'll do on your other side. So let me just pop in a little bit more greenery. But do you see how we made this in just minutes? Like that. And look how beautiful this is. You could make one of these in a matter of a few minutes, and you could take it down to the nursing home. And do you know how happy this cute little arrangement that you can make in minutes would make someone today? Or you can sit it on your island. You can make one for family members. But I encourage you, watch the video, make a material list, go to the craft store, get you some picks and your container, and come back and make this with me step by step and post it in Floral Class with Kathy. I would love to see what you all made. And if you will go back to my previous video, I made a beautiful faux Easter wreath, and I used these picks right here, and I used my bunny, and it turned out so good. Thank all of you for liking, watching, sharing, subscribing, and I hope all of you have a wonderful day, and thank you for joining me here at Flower Boss. And I'm gonna, when you see me do something like this, it's usually for the back end of the YouTube, my thumbnail. So I'm gonna do one now. I'm just hoping my camera is not angled to where it cuts my head off. Sometimes I tend to do that. And I have been crafting like crazy. For the next 60 days, stay with my channel, because every single day, maybe more than once, I'm going to be uploading a brand new video, because I love this time of year. Spring is like my absolute favorite. It's so fun to go to the store and get your things. And if you're a new crafter, if you'll go with light colors and pastel colors, everything you make is going to turn out fabulous. It does take a little bit more skill if you get into the darker colors, but for beginner, I highly encourage something like this because it's so easy to make. I hope all of you are doing wonderful, and I always say flowers are an instant mood booster, no matter what kind of mood you're in. When you make that grocery list, bacon, eggs, flowers, milk, eggs, flowers. I always say that third line on your grocery list is flowers. Don't skip that part. It doesn't matter what kind of a day, week, month, whatever you're going through, if you're happy or sad, flowers will lift your mood, it'll lift your spirit, it'll make you feel good. So don't leave it off your shopping list. Just go today and get some and see if I'm not right about that. Thank all of you. Bye bye.